Guys, today we're taking a look at the F3 dashcam from FitDVR. Now, I made a video on my Land Rover Defender for the FitCam X, and that was for one of their seriously clever integrated dash cams, the ones that fit neatly into your car's rear view mirror housing. But this time it's the F3, which is one of their universal models, and I'm going to show you exactly what you get, how it fits, and what the footage looks like. So stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the FitDVR 3-channel dashcam. Now, it's not your basic front-facing dashcam. No, far from it. This has 3 lenses, front, rear and interior, giving you full coverage no matter what's going on inside your car or around you. And I'll tell you now, if you're a taxi driver, Uber, Bolt, whatever, do private hire work, whatever it is, that inside camera is a real bonus. You can set it up as a 4K front with 1080p inside, or go for the full 2K front, 1080p inside and 1080p rear setup. I mean, that is proper all-round protection. Now guys, before we get into it, FitDVR reached out and asked me to take a look at this F3 4K dashcam and give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first up you get the all-important paperwork. Now this is definitely worth a read, as there are some important points to note when installing and setting this F3 up. Then guys, you get the camera itself. I'm just going to pop that down for a second, as there's another box, and in here, if you open that up, you have a bunch of other stuff, including an extension cable for the rear view camera. Yep, like I said, this has a rear view camera included in the pack. Then guys, you've got a micro SD card to USB-A adapter. You also get that kind of removal trim tool thing to help you route and hide your cabling, and I'll tell you now, that's pretty handy. And you get a spare sticky pad. Then guys, you've got a 12-volt power cable for the cigarette lighter, or depending on when you were growing up, the 12-volt accessory port. Yeah, go figure. Then guys, looking at the main camera, and you have the main sensor on the front. You have a bunch of buttons underneath which control the menu options, and you've got your ports for plugging in the rear camera and power. Now getting this installed guys was a lot easier than I first thought, right? First off, placement of the main unit. Now I'm installing this in an Aston Martin DB9 GT, and being a hand-built car, I was pretty apprehensive about where I was going to be able to install this and the trim and all the other bits and pieces. So you know what? No need to worry. The main unit tucked in nicely up behind the rear view mirror, which was perfect. I was able to run the cable under the roof trim, down the front A-pillar and into the center console, which houses that 12-volt accessory socket. Then it was time to install the rear facing camera. Again, easier than I thought. Straight along the roof trim and down to the rear window. The cable was actually way longer than I needed, and that was it. I would have preferred a permanent live connection, I'm not going to lie, but the 12-volt connection is easy, and do you know what? It's quick also. Then guys, I set up a few settings like time and date and the video resolution, and was ready to go out for a test drive. Now guys, image quality is where this really stands out. The FitDVR uses Sony Starvis sensors with 4K Ultra HD capability, so your footage is sharp and detailed even in low light, and it's got HDR2, which balances out bright skies and dark shadows nicely. Inside the cabin, you've got colour or you've got infrared night vision. It has 4 built-in lights that automatically come on in darker conditions, and this is ideal for nighttime driving, taxi work, or for anyone that wants clear footage whatever the lighting is like. It's also got built-in GPS, which records your speed, route and location alongside your footage, and that's really handy if there's a dispute or an insurance claim. Basically, it's like having your own in-car black box, but much smarter. Then guys, there's the Wi-Fi connection and the mobile app. Yes, of course there is a mobile app. As I said, you can connect your phone, download your clips instantly, or make quick edits without needing a laptop. If something interesting happens on the road, you can share it straight to social media in seconds. I mean, it's simple and very convenient. So guys, there you have it. The FitDVR 3-channel dashcam isn't just about safety. It's about confidence and peace of mind every time you drive. You get triple angle coverage, sharp 4K video, great low light performance, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi control, and it's all in a portable design, and it's compact. So if you're serious about protecting your car, or you just want to capture what happens on the road, this is definitely worth a look. All your footage is saved to a micro SD card, and as I said, you can easily just pop that card out or use the app to navigate your recordings. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this bad boy up for £129.99, which is a bit of a no-brainer for protection and peace of mind when you're out on the road. I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to FitDVR for sending me this cool and very useful dashcam to review. I'm Dave with Scenes for a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.